Alright, so I found this AI tool that allows you to generate images. So I was testing it and it was quite good, and I wanted a way to automate it and upload it to a server so I can, add it to a website. What I want is I give the AI an input to generate an image, and I'll get those inputs from like maybe ChatGPT or from other various sources, and then it generates the image. It gets sent to a folder, and I'll have my own, maybe Python, I'm still thinking yet, but a Python script that will upload it to one of my servers. From my server I'll create a small API which connects to one of my web servers where I can show off the images I generated. So that's what I want to create. First, let me show you the actual AI. So it's in media AI. This is the name of the AI, by the way. It's called Focus. And then you run it through here. I already have it running, so there. And this is what the web terminal looks like. Let me just bring that up. So this is what it looks like, and all the options are here. I'm on initial. I'm doing the hyperspeed, so you can generate anything you want. Gorilla with a red hat. Then if you go here, it will start generating, and it's quite fast. It generated that in 7 seconds, and look how high quality that image is. So right now all the generations will go into the outputs and will give you by date, and then this is the stuff I was testing before. It also creates this log file, so if you go into here you can just see everything that was generated, and it gives you all the metadata, so the prompt it was given, all the all the tags associated with the image, and some other details. There you go, for raw input. So I wanted to upload to a server and capturing the actual image, saving the image, and saving all the metadata. So all this information that's in the log file. So I want to save this with it. And then from there I want to make an API that grabs that data and put it onto a website. And then people can leave suggestions of what they want, and I can generate them, and it will automatically deploy that image whenever I generate that image. So yeah, I'm going to do some research and get back to you. So right now I'm just going through all the IDs in the table here. This is the log file which stores all the data of the image, all the prompts, all the IDs, and all the keywords that's used to generate it. So there's two parts to it. There's the server side which stores the uploads, the metadata, and all the image data. There's a check file script, check uploads, and the index file. The index file uploads images. The check file checks if the images is stored on the actual server, and the metadata just uploads all the metadata. And the second part of it is the Python script which uploads the data from the local directory to the main server. So right now I just created that script, test.py. It's gonna grab the outputs and it will check the local host, and well, currently it's localhost, but it will soon be hosted on the internet. So right now I've just created the Python file and I'm just testing it, and it is working. And I added a small delay, and I'm testing that delay, and that works. No, yep, it's working now. Yep. So the server side and that small Python script is working. Alright, so I got the uploading working. So it uploads to this local directory. So you got all this here. Go to uploads, you can see I had to add a small delay because it's a local server, so it was moving quite fast. As you can see, there's a 1 second delay, and it's doing 527 iterations per second. And there's only 6 images, but if you had way more images and way more metadata, it would be way faster. So I'm gonna try generating a piece of art and see if it uploads. So let me come back to here. Generate kangaroo. So just there's 6 items, there's 6 images. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So enough to generate. It's gonna take a few seconds and save. Okay, it's been uploaded. So now if we go into here, scroll down, sorry, there. Now that 6 turned into a 7 and it's already uploaded. So it uploads quite fast, and the servers over here. Since it's a local server, it will be quite fast, but when I add it to a public URL, it will be way more slower, as I have done testing beforehand. So let me generate. So my goal is to have this automatically upload into the server, having this running in the background. And then I need to find a way now to make it so that it automatically generate prompts. I was first thinking to use a macro. A macro will be the fastest and easiest way to do this. The next step now is to get it onto a public domain. So I'm going to do that myself behind the scenes, and I'm going to show you how that works. Right, give me 2 seconds to figure this out, and then when I come back it will be sorted. Alright, so now let's upload into the server. So now if I do python 3.main, it's obviously taking more longer since I am uploading it to this server. So once it's done that, it's gonna wait 10 seconds, as I do not want to waste too much of my bandwidth, as I don't need this running every second. I just need this running every, even 10 minutes, I just need it running. But for the sake of this demonstration, I'm gonna just keep it as so. And as you can see, as it's going on and on, it's gonna go faster and faster. As you can see from our server, it is being uploaded. You can see a minute ago, a few seconds ago. And then now, if I generate a new image, make it so it generates a guy posing in different environments. And I'm gonna generate multiple images, so I'm gonna do 32. And then I'm gonna press generate. So that's a load all the information. First, it's gonna prepare all the variables that are going to go into it. So let's see that. I'm gonna do a time lapse of this. So right now I'm just generating all the pictures of the guy. So now they're done. And they look alright. Not the best, but they do look alright. So this PowerShell now is just uploading the images. It is taking a while since it's uploading it to a server. And you can see here, it is being uploaded. 3 minutes ago, 1 minute ago. So that is working. So right now I'm just setting up the environment, the logos, and yeah, I'm just setting up the environment. Oh, I grabbed the old site which I used to work on and just used as a template for now. And I'm just setting up the design and the 404 pages and the 403 pages. This is me doing all the color themes. And I just set up a hero now. I'm just picking up an image using an AI upscaler to make it look better. The loading bar working here now too. Right now I'm just generating some images which I can use for the placeholders. Right now I'm just reworking the API so that it allows me to see the most recent images. It also lets me put in the author, like suggested by, you can see my name there. Now I'm just separating the positive and negative prompts and giving them a separate color, so green for positive, red for negative. Now I'm just cleaning up, adding more images, fixing the API up. Now the gallery page works, but the pagination is still a bit messed up. As you can see, it's going off the page. There was over 100 pages and I'm just going off. So I do spend quite a while just trying to fix the pagination alone. As you can see here. I'm sorry if you're epileptic. I did increase the number of images displayed from 6 to 18 so more images can load down. There's not as much pages. But then eventually I'll just fix the loading of the pages. Right now I'm just generating more images to test if the recent artworks actually work. They update when I do generate a new image, which it seems like it's working. And now I'm just changing the theme now, like I said from the start, to a more dark theme, purple theme. And I did eventually get the pages working. Or I think the main website is done. The styling could be a little bit better and I could get a higher resolution image. So let me refresh the page for you. And then as I start bobbing, you can press down. You can see all the images that I've generated. And then you can see the total images and the amount of unique prompts. Add some cool artwork here. At the get in touch section, which works, and send emails. And I got a support email. I am using a domain. It's quite a cool domain. It's only 6 characters long. If you go to the explore page, there is a soft gradient. I don't think you'll look very well in the video, but there is a soft gradient here. And then you can see all the images. There's around 18 images per page. And there also is some pagination. So we're not loading over 500 pictures. So here what it looks like. Hosting has a CDN, so don't need to worry about image loads. Load time is being too slow. It's quite fast. So I'll just scroll through. You can see the prompts, positive and negatives. The actual prompt that was given and who was it suggested by. And then when you, so these are the current tasks, the uploader and the actual, let me find the generator. So I just need to sit here, give it some prompts. So generate. It's gonna take a few seconds. Let me pause it for now. Right, so it's nearly done. And it's done. And now we'll check this. If it's 10 seconds, okay, it started. It's checking the directory. And that upload is, and if I refresh this page, all the way down to the new images there. So now I just need to make it so that I have an automated script for this. I was looking into the API earlier, but it was hella confusing, so I need to work on the API more. But for now, a macro will do. So we'll go into ChatGPT, ask them to generate me some prompts. I'll set the macro up every 10 minutes to just paste in a new prompt and generate. If you have any prompts that you want me to use, just send it to me and I'll generate them here. And I'll add your name to it. And if you're good at designing websites, because I'm not, just send me a message. You can use this form if you want. Thanks for watching.